Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animations to your Wix website like Pro. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your Wix website editor, and then from in there, just select a specific element that you want to add an animation into. Now, in order to make it professional, you need to just use one or two animations and not use contradicting animations. So for this one, let's click on animation. And then from in here, just click on this fade in right here. And then click on customize, or you can also not customize that if you want. And the next thing we need to do is to make sure that we also make an animation for these things right here. So we can also just group that if you want. So for this group elements, we just need to add an animation. So on the first one, we'll use actually a fade in animation. Now for this one, you can actually just use a float in animation if you want. So if you want, they can also just use anything, but I actually prefer to use fade in as well as float in. So let's use float in right here. And then in the next thing that we have, we also can use or add things if we want. So we can also add an animation to this video right here. So for this video, I recommend you to actually use fade in as well. So on the next things, as well as this contact us, you can also add in things that are animated. So click on this and then just use fade in or float in if you want. So for this one, we have actually added those. So let's see what it will look like on our preview. So let's just wait for that to load. And thus, once it's done loading, we can see what it looks like as we scroll through them. So once we have seen this, as you can see from in here, it will actually fade and float. So let me X this first, and then you can see here the contact, but let's start from the top, right? So in here, as you can see, it already loaded the animations. So in order to see it again, you can actually just refresh the site. And then once you have refreshed it, it will reload again if you want. So let's just wait for this right here to properly load, and we can now see the animations as we have applied on our website. So once you have seen the animations that you have applied, and once you have determined if they're professional enough, you can actually just save them to your file. So it will load our Wix editor and it will take us back there, but it will take some time in order to prepare the site. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So let's click on the preview right here. And then from there, we will see what it looks like on preview. So in here, you can see that it will show us the actual animations that we have added in here. So let's try to scroll down. And as you can see, they will seamlessly put in place right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!